Today, we're going to talk about this one, a handheld coffee bean grinder. Personal ba? They haven't used it for a year or two yata. Sabing ganon. So, let's take a look. Let's find out what's the defect. And one more thing, tatalakayin din po natin ang advantage nito. There's also a disadvantage to this, no? So simple enough. We're going to talk about it now in this video. Kaya, don't go away. Lolo is Smart. We'll be back. Let's open it and find out kung ano ba ang depekto nito. Remember, it has been almost 2 years, ang sabi, no? That they have not used this. Let's find out kung ano ang reason bakit hindi na nila ginamit. Let's begin. The first thing you have to do is remove this, no? Now, merong nut yan. Ito lang. Aalisin mo counterclockwise para lumuwag, ano ha? Ito naman para makapag-grind clockwise. Ayan, doon sa mga hindi familiar dito. So, aalisin mo to para hindi ka malito sa pagbabalik, ano? Okay, line it up. 1. There. Okay. There is a flat washer. There is this guide. Oh, let us open first this one. Hindi pa naman ito lalaglag eh. Naka-close pa yon. So, wow! Grabe. Hindi nilinis. Hindi na maganda amoy. Okay, I'll show you why. May natira na coffee ground. And ito po, kailangan kasi na nalilinis. I'm going to show you how to clean this properly. We don't use soap and water here. Okay? This gives me an idea that giling lang sila ng giling without cleaning, and that is not good. We have to clean this. Let's put it there. There is another flat washer, and then pull it up. Here comes. Ang dumi. Grabe. Oh, daming kape. And that is not good. Ang dami oh, nakalagay doon. Kaya nga dapat pagkagamit, cleaning must be done dito. Oh. Then I'll show you how to clean it. Okay, kita na, di ho ba? So, lilinisin na natin to. 1, 2, and the third one. Okay. Wow. Yuck. And that is not good. So, lalagay ko lang dito, ano po, at ipapakita ko po sa inyo, eto. See, yung loob, marami pa rin siyang coffee beans, no po, na hindi na grind, na dapat, inaalis. Mamaya ho, malinis yan, mamaya. Sa iba, ang sarap-sarap. Pero sa iyo, hindi na maganda lasa, kasi nga eto. Let's do this. Just brush this. Wow. Yan. Yan yung part na malinis na. Pero ito yung part na may coffee grounds pa. Let's continue. Just brush it. Brush again. There. Ito na po yung malinis, no po. Yan. It's been clean, ano po. Yan. Ganda, linis, ano po. Ito naman. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo, yung dumi, yung duming nandito. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, ganyan na lang. Yan, lahat to nung ngipin ay marumi. Andyan yung mga nanikit na coffee grinds, no po. So, lilinisin no natin yan. Yan po ang maruming side. At ito naman po ang malinis-linis na side, no po. Okay. We have so many coffee grounds removed. Now, this one. Pakita ko ulit, ano po. Marami pong kape doon sa loob. Kailangan nung alisin yan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano itsura nung malinis na. So, wala na yung mga nakadikit na, anong tawag, mga coffee beans na hindi nadurog, no po, wala na. So, it is clean. Pati po dito, malinis na itong kanyang imbudo. Yung banda rito sa loob, yung second stage, yung nandito sa part na to, yung katapat nito, malinis na rin, no. It's good now. Nawala na yung mga beans na mapapanis po. So, good, very good. Dami. Kapag yan napanis, ano po, at yan ay hindi naalis, sasama ho yan doon sa susunod mong gigilingin. Hindi iba na lasa. Pangit na lasa. Yan ho ang dapat yung pag-iingatan. Para yung inyong coffee beans na ginrind, homebrew, masarap ang inyong black coffee. Kasi pag hindi, kahit masarap yung beans, yung coffee beans, yung coffee grinds, walang silbi. For your personal use, 26 grams, maximum. Ang galing mo nito. Sarap po yan. Kagigiling Ikaw mismo gumiling So, ang galing. Walang sumingaw, ano? And then, install na natin para makita nyo kung paano naman install. Now, we're going to do the reverse. So, eto muna. Ano po? Remember the marker I told you? So, may marker din yan dito. May pentel pen din. So, you have to align it there. And then, place the 3 screws. Now, this one. Okay. When you reinstall this, dun mo ipapasok doon sa butas na yun. So, here it is. Okay? See? Maingay na. Kanina wala Nung maraming granules, maraming coffee grinds na nakadikit, walang tunog yan kanina. Well, anyway, maganda na tunog ngayon. That is clean. Tit to tit. You have to put it this way and then alright. Sunod naman ito. You have to clean this also. And then this one. Meron din nung thread yan, ho. Iikot mo. Ganito. Ang pag-ikot naman yan, ganito lang. Yan, ho. Complete, ano? Complete stop. You cannot turn it anymore. For the size of the grind, no? Grind sizes, you have to adjust this one. This one, yung may thread, nakatapat po yan dito sa uka, sa kanal. Now, tatandaan nyo, yung thread ang magiging marker ninyo. Luluwagan mo, pahigpit. Clockwise, pahigpit. Didikit ngayon yung thread nito, didikit ngayon tong metal na to na may teeth doon sa teeth naman nito. Grinding teeth. No po? Now, to adjust, ang ginagawa ko is the fifth. Itong kanal na to, itong uka na to, panglima. That is about medium grind. Now, let's start with that, ano? Fifth slot. Okay? Okay. That would be this teeth. Ito walang thread, screw thread. Ito may screw thread katapat ito. No? Let's see. Okay. 1, that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that is 5. Okay. Okay, kita mo, noong nasa 0, pantay na pantay, hindi siya umiikot. Noong nilagyan natin ng 5, bumaba. So, lumuwag yung space between grinding teeth of this one and the grinding teeth also of the stationary metal. Ano po? So, ayan na. Well, anyway, let's do this. The next will be this one. Yung meron nito doon sa kanal na yon. Ganito natin yan. Yan na. Nakalock na. So now, the next is this one. This washer, flat washer. And then the arm. And then the nut. Nice. Alright. And then, ito. There. See? Kanina, wala yung tunog na yan. Okay. Nice, diba? Malinis na. And then, papasok ako sa loob, magtitimpla. That will be the next video. Kung nagustuhan mo to, if you like our video, then subscribe. And then hit the bell of notification so that you will be notified kapag meron tayong new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you liked it. Oh, like the video nga pala. And then I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bye-bye.